Hello, hello people. In this session, as I told you, we are going to make this one and custom colors, custom font, etc. etc. See, we are not going to make as it is. This is a bootstrap template here. Actually, I have downloaded it. Okay, so I'll extract it to a folder, and as you can see, it is a pretty big zip. It's 27 MB. So I don't recommend this to use it in mashup or something, because 26 MB has a lot of space. Fine, but I just want only one object. So let's try to make it a little simple. So what can I do is I can go here. I'll just say like this. Turn this off, turn this off. So I'll make another object, a new widget, which is KPI 2. Okay, create, and this is a issue everyone is facing, I think. So I'll reload the page once and see. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's just it was actually stuck in between. It is okay, so I have it right now. So let's take a div tag first, then we'll take a reference of that. Okay, a div tag, it has a paragraph tag. Let's say a paragraph tag, again a paragraph tag with small tag, then another div tag, and inside this div tag I'll add another one. So this will be the 7874. This will be, let's say, sales, and this will be the progress. So I'll just which is 75%. Okay, this will be the progress. So I saved it. So I have the basic structure in hand. So let's style it. Okay, inline styling we are going to use. Say it has padding, which will be around 5 pixels. Okay, okay, it's 10. Okay, around the same padding, which is around same. I'll say bold. Okay, bold to it, small, visitor small, with the bold also. Okay, fine. And 75%, just to this percentage, what you can do is you can use make a simple progress bar by using the CSS. So I think let's say style background to gray. Okay, now this I'll give a style again with a background let's say red. Okay, and the width to be only 75%. So this makes a basic progress bar. So text align. So I'm just playing with the CSS here. It's in center. I'll say color to white. I'm just writing it as I go, and the basic this is ready. I think the basic structure is ready. We need some spaces. So what can we do is we can add padding to this. Okay, padding is not more than 5. Okay, so it looks quite similar. uh, Font size, I need font size to be around 20 pixels over here. And I don't need font size for the visitor. Actually I need it small. I think I don't need it, so I'm going to remove it, uh, the small tag. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just writing it down as I go. I'm not I'm just referring the, see, as it is, it's, I'm writing it down, it is responsive as well. So color of this is green. So I'll just type in green. Leave it to this. The padding is 5, and I'll just add margin hyphen bottom to be around let's say 5 pixels. Okay, margin is good. I'll just increase it to 10. Margin is good now. Fine. Now I have the basic structure ready. So what to differentiate from this image, what can I do is I can take a background color for this that can be around let's say D2, D2, D2. Okay, D2. But let's see what color we can give. So I'll just do the inspect element, and here I have a background color D2. So I'll change it to something a little light. I'll use this F2, F2, F2. I'll give it a border also. I think it has border. Yes, it does, but it's a light one. Border of 1 pixels. Solid. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay. So it has border. It is looking quite nice. Uh, so I think my KPI object, which is quite similar to this, I don't have this. As you can see, the lines here, these are core CSS. You can write it if you want, but still, it's nice, right? So 75% is coming. Let's say I want only 35%. So it will update accordingly to 35%. Okay, see, 35%, and it is coming in center. Let's say 95, and over here also it should be 95, and it's coming in the center as well. So this is a good progress bar, I think. So let's make the property also for this. As I showed you, so I'll add a header first, and see, there's an error. I don't like this actually. Now it will come. These are some bugs, I think, in the new version of Qlik. Input box for title, for the second title, for the title, for value, for the third value. Okay, and let's say I'll take a new property, a drop down list, just for demonstration purpose. And radio button, I don't think we have a case for radio button, but I have, I'll just write it down. It's title. Okay. KPI title. I'll copy it, and as for I go, I'm just going to paste it here. Title, value 1, let's say value 1. I'll copy this, value 1. This is value 2. Oh, sorry. Value 1, 2, and the value 3, which will be the font size. So this is a new property. I'll explain it. Okay, font size. I'll copy this, paste it here. So in this, as you can see, there is default value also you can add, but before adding you need to add some values. Let's say value 1, which is 10, 10, 15, 15, 20, 20, 25, 25, 25, and I'm going to just go on adding it. Okay, see, 30, 30, that's it. Save, done. I'll just hit on save. Okay, so I have all the properties ready for font size also. So I'll set a default font size also. Let's say I've set, I don't know what I've set, a default font size. For this it's 20, so I'll edit and see, save 20. Okay, I'll just say font size for value. Okay, for value 1, to be very specific, I'll say font size 1. I'll just change it in my doc also. So now the question arises how you can do this. It is very simple. See, we have a number. So what I'll do is, first I'll copy the title, I'll paste the title. Just need to copy and paste everything. I have value 1, value 1. Then comes value 2 in percent, and value 2 over here also, like this. Okay, like this. Font size, and where is my font size? Yes, instead of 20 it should be pixel. I'll hit on save, and I'll refresh this dashboard, and I'll edit here and show you how it looks like. I'll go to custom training KPI 2. I'll disable this. Okay, I'll say I have sales. Okay, I have value 1, so I'll say sum of sales. Okay, I have sum of sales here. Now for value 2, I can take sum of margin, or I'll just take a random value. Okay. I'm just giving a number function. See, perfect. Okay. Ready. So I'll just refresh this one more, and I have a working KPI object here. So instead of rand, I can just write this also. Whatever I do, it's 5. Okay. So this is how similar it is to this object right here. And obviously our object is responsive as well. See, it is quite similar. I have not used the bootstrap also. I have not used anything. I just made it from scratch. So you can make this again from scratch itself. So this video has been stretched a lot, but for the sake of showing, I'm going to show this also. As I change this, my font of value 1 will change itself. See. Okay. So this is a pretty easy way to do it. Okay. So I have used. So let's see what we have used. See, we have used test bars, we have used drop downs. Now it's time for in the next lecture we might see checkbox, radio, or switch. Okay, one of these I'll see, and we'll wrap our widget tutorial up. And as you can see, in a small time you can do a lot of things. Then we'll move to the actions into widgets. How can we do the actions and all? And then using those actions, we can apply some capability API to it. Using a capability API, we will do some actions. So I'm going to use this same example. Okay, I'm going to use this KPI only for the actions also. So your task for this session was that you have to do these. So color, background, and font size. I have shown you the font size. Now you can do for the color and background also. Okay. If just in case, just for the tutorial purpose, I'll add one more and say color. Okay, value 1. Okay, just for the tutorial purpose. I'll refresh. See, it's black because no color is there. I'll say green, red, I can even give a RGB value or some like Qlik tech blue, my favorite color. See, it's looking pretty good. See, you can do this. So you can, so in the next session, if you have not done this, I'll add, let's say background color for the KPI.